Hi everyone, my name is Nur Adila binti Ramli and I will present the interface of our website that we have created for the subject STIV 3033. This website is created using weights and called Maggie because it contains and provides Maggie products. There are 4 buttons on top of image sliders, which is Home, Products, About, and Contacts. It also have a image card icon button uh, where when the user click all of the buttons, it will link to the other page. Next, the image slider in this interface. The image slider is part of the news or advertisement of the Maggi products, and sometimes when they produce a new product, it will shows at the image sliders. Next, in this website, we provide 3 types of Maggi product, which is noodles, sauce, and seasonings. When the user click on the noodle image, it will go to the noodle page where it shows the list of the flavors that Maggi have. For example, the flavors of the noodles is Maggi curry, Maggi tom yum, and Maggi chicken. When the user touch at the image of the flavors, it will shows the detail of the product, such as the name, the price, the weight of each packaging, the taste, the ingredients, and many more. They also provide video that will play automatically that is related to the Maggi product. In addition, when the user want to buy this product, they will go to the add to cart button to add the product at the trolley of this account. Next, when the user want to go to the source page, they will click at the source button and it shows the list of Maggi sauce, which is chili sauce, tomato sauce, and Thai sauce. When the user touch the image of the sauce, it also will provide the details of the product. And it also have video that is related, and this video is a advertisement video about the sauce product. When the user go to the seasonings page, it will list the types of seasoning that produced by Maggi brand. For example, is chicken stock cube, cukup rasa, and Maggi seasoning sauce. It also provides the details when the user touches the image of the product. Besides, the user can get some tips how to use the products in for the cook. Where user want to know the details about the Maggi company, they will go to the about, and this page will tells the story of the Maggi brand. When the user go to the contact button, it provide the links, and we can contact the Maggi company, because it's also provide the contact number if they have any question or complaints related to the Maggi products. And lastly, the cart buttons will go to the cart my cart page. This page will list what the products that selected by the user before they make the purchase. If the user want to continue shop at the Maggi website, they can go to the continue shopping button, and it will go back to the home page. That's all from our website. See you again, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Raudah Nanjara binti Zainal and my metric number is 248565. I will be explaining about the overall leadership and multiplicity of the whole diagram. So, first of all, once a customer registered at our website, they will automatically get an unique account ID. Each customer will also get one shopping cart assigned to them for future purchases. The unique account ID contains order details, customer shopping cart, and payment details. Customer can add multiple items without even paying first. This card acts as a storage for the customer's desired items whenever they decide to purchase those items. Once customer has made payments, the payment will be referred to the order details that has description about the products chosen by the customers. One payment can refer to just one order or multiple orders if customer decide to place orders for several items at the same time, meaning they are planning to buy in a bulk. Payment also confirms the delivery. One payment can have multiple deliveries if they have multiple addresses. For example, the delivery has product details to identify what kind of products that will be delivered, either just one item or more than that. The product chosen by the customers either can be noodles or sauces or seasonings, but they must choose either one of it.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatina Bila binti Muhammad Azif. My metric number is 248189. So I will discuss in detail the entity for customers, accounts, and shopping carts. So first of all, we already know the relationship for the customer accounts and shopping carts. So for accounts entity, it will only exist if the customer entity exists, and then same goes to shopping carts. It will only exist if the account entity exists. So let's talk about the customer entity. So for customer entity, it has several attributes, which are the first one is the customer ID, which also add our as our primary key, and then we have username, password, customer name, customer email, customer phone number, customer address, and also customer date of birth. Okay, so for our customer entity, it has two operations, which is the first one, the customer able to add item on the shopping cart, and then next customer able to remove item on the shopping cart. Okay, so we move to the entity accounts and shopping carts. Okay, for the entity account, our system will not keep the account information from the customer, because our account entity will directly go to the outside server to access the account information in detail. So the outside server can be the bank server. So we just keep the attributes account ID, which acts as our PK, and also account date created. So the method and operation involved in the account entity are the firstly it can verify account, and then store orders, and then store payment info, and then check the payment status. Okay, so once the user has account, so the user able to do shopping on shopping cart, which for the shopping cart entity, it will keep the attribute date created, and then it will also for the operations method, it will also able to get the card information from the database, and also display the card information once the user retrieve the card information. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Krisha Likulimbangan. My metric number is 247831. I will explain about the entity of orders, payments, and delivery. First, let's take a look on the entity of orders. The attributes are order ID, which is the primary key, order quantity, order date, and order price, while the methods are get order info and display order info. Next, let's see on the payments entity. As we can see here, the entity of payment can't exist without the entity of orders, which means customer must have orders to proceed to the payment. The attributes of payments are payment ID, which is the primary key, payment type, payment total, and payment date. And the methods are get payment info, display payment info, and verify payment info. After the customer pays their order, it will confirm the delivery, which under the delivery, the attributes are delivery ID, which is the primary key, delivery date, tracking number, and delivery address, while the methods are get delivery info and display delivery info.
Hello everyone, my name is Wanuru Hidayah and my metric number is 247898. So now I want to explain about our entity relationship diagram. It's my turn to show the product entity. So now we focus on product and their types. So here, if you can see, the product is a parent to the three subclass, which are noodle, sauce, and also seasoning. Okay, the previous video, my friend already explained all the product in our website. So this attribute shows all the details in our website. for the product, we provide all of these attributes. The first one is product ID, the PK short form for the primary key, the product name, product description, product price, product ingredient, product image, product video, and also product type. So all of these attributes will show to our website. So our product will have image, video, and all of these attributes. So user can get the product info from the product in our website. The website also can display the product info that user choose. And then we can see the relationship of the product and the subclass. The constraint of the product entity is mandatory OR. The meaning of this mandatory OR is every product must be either noodles, sauce, or seasonings. So that's why we call it as a mandatory OR. And then I will explain the attribute of the noodles that we provide in our website. The attribute of this noodle is in packaging type. For the sauce, we provide the bottle dimension. And the last but not least, seasonings. We provide the recipe and also cube quantity. So that's all from me to explain about the product class. I think that's all from me. Thank you.